Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying accounts and updates. Sign into PSN and confirm any PS Plus requirements because permissions matter. Next, update the PS4 system software so SharePlay compatibility is current. Go to Settings and install updates. Once done, make sure both you and the guest use stable networks, wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi reduces lag, and test connection strength. These first steps remove common barriers and let you move directly into pairing and session setup without wasted retries. You initiate SharePlay from a party on PS4. Invite the friend, open the party menu, and tap Start SharePlay so the session launches. Then pick the mode. Visitor plays as you for control handoff or play together for cooperative viewing, and set the session duration. SharePlay limits sessions, so set expectations. Once chosen, make sure you share the game screen and accept permission prompts for controller or remote play. This is how control, video, and audio routing are negotiated between consoles. You wrap up by ending SharePlay in the party menu when finished, but if something fails, try reconnecting controllers and restarting the game. That often clears input to sync. If you see lag or stutter, switch both consoles to wired LAN or move to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and consider lowering in-game resolution or closing background apps. If problems persist, reboot the PS4, re-log into PSN, and re-invite your friend. And remember to check NAT settings or restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.